Hi you guys, this is me SC and I'm back. I'm back. So we're gonna get started. Hello to everyone. Welcome. Old new subscribers. I love you all. So I'm about to say my grace and I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. Lord Jesus, I thank you for this day. I thank you for the food. I thank you for your many blessings. Lord, I ask that you please continue to touch, bless, and heal me as well as everyone else all over the world, as well as everyone who's watching this video. Lord, I ask that you please let this food be a nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Y'all like the shades, don't y'all? I got my little tank top on because, you know, it's like whatever. But I want to get my shirt, though. This time I got my little towel. It looked like a little shirt, though, so yes, okay. But it's a towel. Ooh, how y'all doing? Okay, let me stop playing. So y'all know when I be gone for a while, I try to come back big. Try to. Like they say, go big or go home. So this is the biggest blue crab I got right here, y'all. And he gave me a run for my money and his money. He got away from me out the pot. And he was he was crawling. He backed into a corner. Y'all, I was kind of scared because I'm like, nah, no crab never did me like this. So, like, don't do that. So, I finally got him. I had my tongs, but he was fighting, though. So, I got some blue crabs. And I have some snow crabs. I ain't had these but one time up here. So, I got some snow crabs. It was at Food Line. So, yes. And I got my sauce, you know. And I got the rest of these shrimp. I hope they alright because I ain't cooked them for so long. Yeah, the shrimp from Costco. And I got me some apple juice. I froze it in my little glass, you know. I wanted me some pineapple Fanta, but 3 little children drank it out, and they could have told me they went hand more because we was at Walmart today. But they didn't. Anyway, take out my shades. Now I'm gonna eat a crab with a shade on. So I have snow crabs, blue crabs, and some shrimp. And I tasted these to make sure they was alright. They banging. I like the little trays that they eating. Y'all want to cut that TV down a little bit? Oh, I think I missed some meat. Y'all, these are good. And I hope they don't have no reaction on my stomach tonight when I'm in the bed asleep. Because that's why I had to stop eating them. But them was the ones from Sam Club. Y'all do something to my hair. Because it's a mess. I passed English. Thank you, Jesus. No more Englishes. I got a C. I wanted a B. But I ain't get no B. But I got a C. But I'm happy. But yeah. I'm happy, but at the same time my GPA went down. It was 3.2 something. It was 3.29. Anyway. Because my grades was all A's and B's. So I got to bring my GPA back up. But anyway, I'm glad English over. I don't want take no more English, y'all. I start my anatomy class August. I was doing a little work in my workbook today. So I won't get behind. I'm going to take my shades off. I've been wearing crafts for so long. Shouts out to Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. I think that's your name. I hope you get your crabs, girl. Yes, honey. I didn't think I was going to get them. But I did. And I was so happy. Y'all, I will turn down any food for crabs. I will. I would turn down any food for some crabs, y'all. I got me some lemons, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. And I went and got me a pedicure yesterday, and this is the color of my toes. And I'm gonna paint my nails tonight. It was the worst pedicure ever. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is my polish I got from Five Below. They had a new lady in there. And she was so bad. I ain't say nothing, but the lady, she went in and helped. She went over and helped her because she wasn't doing a good job. I'm like, almost missed my whole mouth. Okay, I'm gonna try shrimp. A lot of shrimp. I don't think I cooked them too long because them shrimp was ooh. I finally set my microwave up so I can warm up my sauce. And it's like a dark gray inside. Like a microwave. I never seen that color microwave before. But I likes it. Yes, y'all, this is so delicious. I had some Popeyes earlier today. I asked for apple pie. They gave me a sweet potato pie. I don't know what was going on with that chicken. It was like dark, like really dark. So I was like on the way home. I was almost home. It was in Greenville, and I called back. So yeah, that biscuit was so dry. Yeah, that's what happened. I cooked them shrimp too long the last time because these shrimps is banging. That thing too far up for me. I just do that thing right there. Lay up. Y'all do not know. Jesus, this is good. I'm trying to tell you, it's delicious. I think y'all can stick with me while I be gone. And I was going to record today, but I forgot my phone at home. And my other phone was dying. And yeah. Would it be so beautiful? Either way I'm saying. Y'all, I don't know if y'all, what y'all had Dollar Tree have, but the little pumpkins on my stove. They have like some newer pumpkins, some different colors. And I got me some yesterday. Because I love the pumpkins, the little glass pumpkins at Dollar Tree. Oh, yes. I wanted to buy everyone, but I had to discipline myself. I got pumpkins in my room, on my back of my stove. And I got them whenever I get my furniture. I've been like busy. Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, this is so good. So good. Them shrimp was overcooked last time. That's why they weren't good. This shrimp right here, perfect. Perfecto. I had cut the light off on the heat off because I didn't want to overcook them. In my water, I did parsley, garlic powder, paprika, Mrs. Dash, Old Bay, Tony Saturate, Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Griot Complete or some Baja Complete, some lemon juice, some apple cider vinegar. I should have made a video, but I'm trying to get it together, and I don't know what's in my eye. I think it's an eyelash. Y'all be right back. My eye is, ugh. I'll be back. I'm coming back, y'all. Go get you something to drink while you waiting on me and come right back. Cause I'll be back. Woo, Jesus. I don't know what was in there, but it's all good now. I hope so anyway. Would it be so beautiful? Either way I'm saying, if you ask me, I'm ready. This could be the song of the night. Alicia Keys, Unthinkable. My apple used to melt it. It's crap looking at me. Why you looking at me for? Hey, why you looking at me for? Turn around. Turn around. Y'all, this snow crust is good because I was in there for so long. I was supposed to just go in Food Line and use the bathroom. But you know me. I like to wander and roam around the store. And I seen them crab legs and it was on sale. You know I had to get them. Oh yes, honey. Oh yes. They is delicious. They ain't that big, but they good. These used to be my favorites. Used to be. These clouds always be salty. I don't know why. And they're not salty like, you know, but it's always like a different flavor than the other layers. I was wondering, baby. Yeah, I've been cutting up on summer nights. I've been going to bed late. And don't even want to get up in the morning. Because I said when I get out of school, it's going to be summer nights. I'm going to enjoy my summer. And I be going to bed so late. But I be up watching videos and stuff. I was watching... Who was I watching last night? I was watching Sharika B. And these... It was somebody else. I like their intro. They had some nice videos too. And I like when that girl ate that king crab. That looked so good. Let me see who it is, y'all, okay? Because I want to let you know. Hi, Miss Pam. I'm going to just look it up real quick, okay? Ain't going to take long. Okay, it's Step and Tasha. That's who I was watching last night. Oh, yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Just sit in the front room eating crabs. And they got her a few shrimp. They in there playing some cards. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all. Maybe the fact I ain't had this in a while, but this is good. You all know I love some crabs. My all-time favorite. I was wondering, baby. Hi, Sierra, don't eat me. Y'all hear y'all saying I'm cracking on crabs. Y'all, Dateline come on tonight, Friday night at 9 or 10. Dateline, baby, Dateline, Dateline, Dateline. What y'all watching in there? It's on TV? Yeah. Y'all, these shrimp is so good. Look at these shrimp. This is shrimp from Costco. It was the first 2 times I cooked this shrimp too long. I'm gonna pop one of these open. I was watching Honey Eats last night too. I wanted to get some rice, but yeah. Always watch Miss B Love. I love when she do a mukbang with her son. This is what you... Well, go ahead on down then. I gotta get this up because I'm about to start making a mess. Y'all, it's kind of late, but it ain't too late, but it is late. Because I was in Walmart roaming around instead of getting what I needed to get and get out of there. I just can't go in the store and come out. I gotta go roaming around for an hour. Used to be 2 hours. I'm not as bad as I used to be. I'm about to choke on that juice. Put this over here now. Look at that, mate. Welcome to the wild side of crab eating. If you don't like crabs, I don't know what to tell you. Missing a delicacy. Oh. Let me stop. Y'all, I went to Havens Gardens the other day. It was so many crab pots out there. I wish I knew how to crab. I know it's not that hard. You put some chicken on a string. I might go crabbing one day. But I gotta get my fishing license, I think. Or something. And sit on the dock and play that Otis Reddit. Sitting at the dock of the bay. Wasting time. I'm just gonna sit at the dock of the bay. Wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change. Was there some meat in there? Oh my God. Y'all see my old client yesterday at Dollar Tree? I gotta go see her. A sweet old lady. I got to go see her. I'm gonna go see her tomorrow evening. Yep, when I get off her, I'm gonna go see you. Dory crabs is delicious. Y'all was tempted to get me some lumberjack. Cause Zion and them, they cooked them some, but I was like, nah. I'm gonna fill up on the crab and the shrimp. Cause them sausages do be filling me up as well. And I was gonna get me some potatoes today. I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that either. I'm gonna focus on the crabs. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Y'all don't know how good it feels to be out of school for this little bit of time and have a break. Oh my. You gotta worry about writing no paper. You gotta worry about it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. This is what you call a flip. K.O.D. He harded. 10-piece from McCord Brick. Now my favorite thing to say is nope, nope, nope. When I post a picture, my captions be like nope, nope, with the strong arm. Y'all gonna tell y'all? After I had made that last bad grade on my paper, I had three little coolers or whatever, the Seagram's gym, I think. I poured all three of them in my little pink cup and drunk them. I was done. I ain't get drunk on that because, you know, it's like just juice, but yeah. And that was the last time I had any. And I was like, I'm not gonna get no more because I'm not trying to be addicted to them drinks. So, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just because the crab big don't mean it got no meat in it. Because that big crab ain't had that much meat. But the little crabs having a lot of meat. Mm. But I be always wanting the big crabs. But yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what you call a flip. 10-piece from a quarter break. Wow, how many shrimp have I ate? Because I had a lot of shrimp. Tonight, you ever get some shrimp?
Yes, but she's asleep.
She need to be asleep. Come on, Tears, help me out now. Y'all see, I just splashed that sauce in my eye. Mm-mm-mm. Woo! When I used to perm my hair, I used to make a mistake and get perm my eye. I must be burning. Mm-mm-mm. Burning, baby. You want some more? Okay, just put it up there. Is I ain't trying to try an 8 or 10 find date line for me? After these messages, we'll be right back. Okay. Please don't make no mess over there that you not gonna clean up. Nice like this side, I wish it rained. You guys were fun. Darling, darling, baby. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain on me, yeah. Y'all think I go on American Idol or Showtime at the Apollo? I wouldn't even go there and embarrass myself. I mean, I'm doing it now, so whatever, but I wouldn't go there because I know they're going to send me home. They might not even let me go sing on TV. They fighting. They fighting, baby. They fighting. They fighting, y'all. They fighting. Y'all gonna stop fighting or no? Y'all can go to bed if you want to fight, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to go to bed, if you want to fight, let's go ahead and go to bed. Fight that sleep and go. Are you starting him like ugly? Don't call nobody nothing you might call you. What did I say? Now you keep your hands off of him, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. If I hear one more thing, guess what? Both of y'all is out of there. Okay?
Okay.
Buy one, get one free. Both of y'all gonna buy a ticket to bed. Like the Whopper at Burger King, buy one, get one free. You bought them a ticket right to bed. People ain't worthy to be on my. Boop, 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 boop. How y'all doing? I'm back. I don't know what happened, but I had to take a little bruise, but I'm back now. I'm back now. Finish up these legs. I dumped my tray. Cause it's all up to you, yeah, when love calls. You better answer. Cause it might be a big mistake. Let's get cut to me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I just stopped the video in mid-stream. Like Martin said, woo 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 woo. Woo 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 woo. 'Cause it's all up to you. When love comes, you better answer. 'Cause it might be a big mistake. But I got a lot of it to give. I'm willing and willing, but it's all up to you. When love comes. It's gonna be an early night for me tonight, I know that. Turn your lights down low. Never ever try to resist. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, let your love come shining in into our life again. And I want you to know right now that I want to give you some love. Oh, wow. Y'all. So, I like that Victoria's Secret Love Spell, the body spray, or the body mist. And I like the Egyptian musk oil. I mixed them both today. I was smelling delicious. Ooh, somebody gave me some bread and I left it in the car. The lady that be where I work at, she gave me some bread. It's some fresh baked bread from a bakery here in Washington. And I left the bread in the car. I got to go get that. I just thought about it. Anyway, it's some bagel. It's some she say basil, but it's basil and it's some kind of cheese. She told me the cheese, but I forgot. And one time she had some cheese bread. That cheese was so good. The cheese, the bread, it was so good. I can't remember the cheese though. I know she said basil, but it's basil. And I even looked it up, the pronunciation. And it's basil. I think she was just overdoing it. With some basil. Anywho, the way she pronounces it is how she do it. I think crab was having an effect on me. I'm feeling and waiting. When love calls, you better answer. Is y'all thirsty? Huh?
No, ma'am. I just told her to stop.
You watching on TV all night? What did they doing? Sleep? If she hates how that, then let it go. Truly rude, boy. Y'all see all that good meat? That good meat. Yeah, I can't wait to paint my fingernails because this looks so cute. I just tested it. See how it looks. Because I had another color. I think it was just a little brighter orange. But yeah. But I had it for a long time. And it's only a little bit in there. Y'all know how I am. I like the same thing over and over and over again. truly rude, boy. Snow crabs. I got a snow crab and I think I like it. Y'all better cut that TV down. I'm not gonna ask no more. The next movie is gonna be off. Cause y'all act like y'all is deef. Not deaf, but deef. Defense. Oh, y'all. My baby play football. This is gonna be his 3rd year playing. The past 2 years he played flag, Jasir. And then this year he's gonna play tackle. He loves football, y'all. He loves football. And I love to see him play because he's good. Not to brag, but he's good.
Yes, I do.
So I'm going to be making sure that I get some of his moves in, or whatever you call it, his plays in. I'm going to make sure that I record for y'all. I might be a little loud, and I'll be running up and down the field and stuff. But, yeah, I love watching him play football. He be gone, y'all. He be gone. He be gone. I'm trying to tell my baby be gone. I got some old videos. I might try to put them together and put it up here. My baby be gone. I'm trying to tell you, he be gone. Just say be gone. Yes. We ready for that football, baby. He be having me outside throwing the football with him. Like, just say I want to throw the football every day. He don't care who throw the football. Anybody. The mailman used to come. He used to sit outside. When he was out of school, when he was in school, or no, yeah, the summertime, he'd sit outside and wait for the mailman with his football, and the mailman throw the football with him. That was so nice. He got some flags too. He done tore them up, most of them he tore up. He wants some new gloves, some new cleats, all that. Every time he go to Greenville, he want to go to Dick's Sporting Goods. Look around. Worrying me. He tried to go the other day, and I told him we didn't have time to go over there. No, 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 no. I'm done with this right here. You know you the baddest. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay. I'm gonna eat another crab and I'm gonna be done with that. Okay. Because yeah. We never land cause we still fly. We never land cause we still high. Baby, put one in the sky. If they're trying to go to oh, this got that mustard in there, y'all. It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you. Yo, I don't know what time this video gonna get up, but just know it is not as late because it takes videos a while to upload. So yeah, don't be like whatever. Y'all like that mustard? That's what I call it. Whatever it is, it's good to me. I've been eating it forever. Y'all, this crab got some meat. This crab got some meat in it. This my color, y'all. I'm obsessed with this color. Not obsessed. Justin, bring me that fake nail polish if it's in there, please. I think it's in there.
What color?
The orange or pinkish, whatever. You see it?
Yeah.
Bring it, baby.
No, we don't see it.
He said, yeah, now they don't see it.
Johnny said yeah.
Come look over here in this cabinet or this drawer or something, because I know I had it. And I can't get up right now. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to. Look over there in that one. If you don't see it, don't worry about it. Ooh, la 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 la. Yeah, that's the it. Thank you.
That is what is so orange.
You can put it down. Thank you, babe. That's that back fin, baby. That back fin is the most expensive crab meat. Like, you know, the pig, whatever you call it, in the little bowls. Yeah. I'm gonna need some ginger ale. Y'all know how, like, they say if you ginger ale sick or hospital sick or whatever. That's why I keep ginger ale. I don't know what it is about ginger ale, but if you ain't feeling good, get you some ginger ale. You're going to be feeling better. And I don't even do the crackers. I just do the straight ginger ale with some ice in my Yeti cup. And I drink that. My stomach be hurting. Oh, yes. I'm good now. I don't know what it is about that ginger ale, but that ginger ale. Baby, I got to keep that ginger ale. Okay, what was I about to do? Because y'all know I be getting sidetracked. Okay, this nail polish is called Kingston. Kingston. And this is the polish. I'm going to cut the light off. So y'all can see it a little better. But yeah, I got it from Five Below. And it says Funky Fresh. No, my bad. Funky Fingers. Baby, put one in the sky. If they try, they got to Hold up, wait 1 minute. Hold up, wait 1 minute. You know you the baddest? Ooh, la 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 la. YouTube, baby. Have any of y'all ever heard of Black and Sexy TV? It was a web series called Roomy Lover Friend. That was my favorite thing to watch ever. My favorite, y'all. Anybody know about that? With Nico and Dre. Or Tamiko or something. Anyway. Yes. I loved it. I used to watch it over and over and over again. I went looking for it a few weeks ago, but it was some up there, but all of them wasn't up there. But I used to love it. Yes, honey. I couldn't wait for a new episode to come out. Y'all watch Greenleaf. Greenleaf about to come back on next month. And that's my show too. I don't watch much TV, but the shows that I'm naming or the shows, whatever, I'll sit there and watch it because I don't sit down and watch everything like. But I do watch Dateline. Truly rude boy. If you don't like crabs, Mm-mm-mm. It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. We never land cause we still flying. Or high. Baby, put one in the sky. If they try, they got to, I'm done, y'all, cause yeah. I don't know what it is. I think I cooked that in too much butter, but it's good, but yeah. Anyway, I got to go. So yeah. I love y'all. I'll be back. I'll probably be back with this. Warm it up. But yeah. Yeah. Cause I like put a whole stick of butter in the water. I think that was too much. But anyway. I love you all. I really do. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, commenting, subscribing, liking, everything. If you share, I appreciate it all. And I want y'all to know, it is currently 10:03. Yes, it's late. It's not all that late. And yeah. So yeah. I love y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy my video with the crabs, baby, with the crabs. Yeah, they was good, but yeah. I'm going to be done for the night eating, okay? So, I'm going to get it together and upload this video for you guys. And I will be back, okay? Peace and love and blessings to you all. Peace. It's time to go. Oh. Peace. It's time to go. Oh. It's time to go. Y'all want to see me do a Harlem Shake? I can't dance, so yeah. I was trying to do the Kiki. Do you love me? I ain't get that either. What else? All right, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all have a good night, a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening. Whenever y'all see this video, remember that I, Sierra, loves y'all. And again, this is BSC. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget the video. I made the song Alicia Keys Unthinkable. If you ask me, I'm ready.